Hi everyone, please do subscribe our Varshita Education channel. So if you have any queries, if you have any comments or anything, so just please give your valuable comments. Definitely we'll consider in a next videos. ServiceNow REST integration. So what is meant by REST integration? So what is meant by integration mean? So these are the questions are arised in our mind. Okay. So now let's we see that what is the integration first of all. So what is mean by integration means when two different applications communicate with each other and share the data is called as integration. For example, here we can see that application one like a service now we call as a service now, and another application two is also there, that is a third party application is there. So we don't know what so are the different type of applications. Like a third party applications means we can go for the Zira, like a Python. So different type of applications we need to just communicate. So in our service now side, we are ready to communicate with the application one is communicating with the application two. Is nothing but it's a service now is ready to just communicating with a third party applications. So that is called as a communication of each other is called as a integration. Okay. So now we see that we have the two kind of integrations are there. One is a outbound integration and the another one is a inbound integration. See, so we have the two type of integrations are there. One is a inbound and another one is a outbound. So what is meant by outbound integration? Simple. Outbound means in our day-to-day life, what we call that outbound. So service now is our site. So then third party application is outside. So what is the meaning of when service now is right to request to the third party application? So service now is right to just request the third party application. So something it's like a so data or something. So we need to get from the third party applications. So for example, so service now is right to just process one incident. So it can try to fetch some details from the third party applications. So then it can try to request the third party applications. You can just feel that is a Jira account is there. So from the Jira, we need to get some details means it can try to pass a request from the service now. Okay. And the provider is nothing but third party applications. The third party applications are right to give a response to the service now side. Okay. So here there is a our service now is right to just request third party applications is called as a outbound integration. So this is a third party integrations or outbound integrations we can call. And now so we can inbound integration. What is the meaning of inbound? Inbound means incoming. So its word only it will be explaining as a incoming. So other systems will make call to service now and perform different operations to create a or update records. For example, so Jira account is there. For example, some of the existing company is using that. So third party application like a Jira. So Jira is using that. The Jira so consumer like a so Jira third party application is requesting something to the service now side is right to request. So when it is right to request something to the service now side, then it should be it's a inbound incoming call. Now it's a we can call so incomingly. So the call is coming to the service now side. That's called as a inbound integration. Then after that, the definitely service now service provider is right to just give a response to the third party applications. So these are the outbound and integration and as well as inbound integrations also. So let's we recap it. So outbound is nothing but when service now is right to request to the third party applications is called as a outbound integration, and service now side third party applications can write a request something to the service now side is called as a inbound integration. Got it? So that's the reason. See that. See here the service now and see right side we have the Jira, GitHub and Microsoft Teams, vendor service now, different type of things are there. See when there is a inbound call, so from the Jira, GitHub, Microsoft Teams, vendor, whatever it may be, all are just coming to the so service now side. This is an inbound call. So when the service now is giving response to the so Jira, GitHub and Microsoft Teams and vendor service now, then it is called as a response. So inbound call and this is a response. Okay, let's nice. Now we'll go for the REST. What is meant by REST? So REST means this is a abbreviation. Yes. So what is the abbreviation of this REST? So representational state transfer. So in the meaning is there. So REST means the representation state transfer. So one of the way to create a web services. For example, we need to create one kind of web services by using the REST call only. We can create a web services and stateless architecture also. So and recommended by ServiceNow. So which is right recommended, that is ServiceNow is right to recommend this kind of the REST methodology to create or integrating the third party applications. Okay, so that's the reason. So that is a REST. Okay, so thank you for watching.